Good morning, friends. This is Piyush Malpure, lecturer in English. Today, we are going to learn technical writing. Technical writing is a topic in the subject communication skills. So, first of all, we will learn what is technical writing or technical communication. Technical writing is defined as converting the complex information into simple information. A technical writer is a bridge between product and end user. A technical writer writes and designs various communication products such as user guides, installation guide, specification sheet, online help manuals, reference guide, training manual, and so on. There are two factors that contribute in good technical writing. The first factor is end user satisfaction, and the another is inputs from developers, product managers, and testing team, etc. There is a common myth about technical writing is that it is all about science, engineering, and technology. However, technical writing is about writing technically of any topic. So there are difference between simple writing and technical writing. The first difference is when you write down about, for example, mobile phone. So when you write a simple information or a common information, in that information you will write the color of the mobile, the size of the mobile, or any other physical feature of the mobile. But when you write technical information of the mobile, you will get you will give random access memory of that mobile phone, internal storage, what type of language it supports, or which software is used in that mobile phone, the name of the company, from which company the mobile belongs, etc. So this is the technical information you will give about mobile phone. So now we will see what type of challenges or what are the challenges are there in technical writing. A technical writer has to be responsible, proactive, and techno savvy. That results in clear technical communication of the products, exceptional writing, and proofreading abilities. Some crucial challenges are maintaining consistency in documents, immediate deadlines, last minute changes in the documents, miscommunication on deliverables from developers and product managers. So there are some challenges in technical writing. So these are a few challenges that you have to be techno savvy so that you can give technical more technical information of the product rather than just a physical or simple information. So a help when you have to create a help manual or any information manual, so what types of softwares or apps you can use. So we will see that we will not go into the details, but we should know that what types of softwares or applications are used in technical writing. Like when you create a help manual, so you can use Adobe Robo Help or DITA and Confluence. So these are the names of softwares or apps. Then other help authoring tools are Madcap software, Help in Doc, Adobe FrameMaker, and MediaWiki. So these are some softwares and apps involved in technical writing. So now I am going to tell you when a piece of writing becomes technical. So when you write something, how can we call it a technical? The term technical refers to knowledge that is widespread. So that is not widespread. That when you write technically, the term technical refers to knowledge that is not widespread. It is the territory of experts and specialists. Whatever your field is, you are developing an expertise. You are becoming a specialist in a particular technical area. And whenever you try to write or say anything about your field, you are engaged in technical communication. In technical communication, the writer is the expert and the readers are the learners. Audience is the most important part of a technical document. So when you write technically, your focus should be on audience. What type of audience you are writing. It is a fact-based writing. Opinions and judgments are avoided until it is necessary to explain the event. So you don't put your opinions and your judgments into the technical writing. It is objective, not subjective. And accuracy is crucial. So accuracy matters in technical writing. There are some common examples of technical writing. Such common examples are business plans, white papers. In Marathi, we call it as Shweta Patrika. So these white papers are some type of research papers or investigation papers, we can say. So white papers, then product descriptions, user manuals, as you can open any machine or any mobile phone or any gadget, you get some type of manual in that gadget. So in that manual, the information is written that how to use that manual. So that user manuals, then scientific papers, research papers we call it. So that research papers we publish in the journals. Then reports. So there are investigation report, accident report, etc. So these are some examples of technical writing. A writer may not be a subject matter expert. So there are subject matter experts. So technical writer may not be a subject matter expert, and a subject matter expert may not be a good writer. Thus, there will always be a need of technical writers. So there is always a need of technical writers in the organizations, and the benefit of become a technical writer is H1B visa. As you know, America has uh, this type of visa, H1B visa, that they don't give this visa to anybody unless and until you are an expert. So H1B visa is also available for technical writers as it comes under specialty occupation in the US. So this was all about technical writing. If you have any doubts, you can contact me, or I am also uploading notes on technical writing. So you can also refer to these notes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.